Hello friends and welcome back. My name is Andrea and this is Dessert First. So today we're making cookies. We're gonna make my aloha cookies. They're super delicious, easy to make, chock full of lots of goodies. So stay tuned and let's get started. Let's get started on our aloha cookies. So, I love a cookie that's like white chocolate and macadamia nuts. So, I just decided to go ahead and add some coconut in there and call them aloha cookies. So, several ingredients. So, we're just going to set some of this aside. Now, one thing I did is I did go ahead and rough chop the macadamia nuts. They were pretty big, and so since I want them to be able to have some in every cookie, I just did a rough chop. So they're about half the size that they were. So first off, we are going to get our sugar and butter in the stand mixer, so we can cream that together. So I've got 2 sticks of room temperature butter, and it is super warm in my house today, so it is really soft. So we're just going to put that in there. And then I've got 1 cup of granulated sugar, and then 1 cup of loosely packed brown sugar. That's dark brown sugar, but light brown sugar will work just fine. And then I'm just going to add the paddle attachment and then just kind of cream this together. So that's creamed together. Let's get that off of there. And now we're going to add 2 large eggs. And we're just going to use whole eggs. So we're just going to dump that in. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, so now we're going to add our dry ingredients. So I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add just part of that in, kind of get it going. I'm also going to add our salt and baking soda. So I've got a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So we're just going to add that in there. And then we're going to add some more. We'll just add the rest of it. Now we're going to add all of our goodies. So I've got 1 cup of sweetened coconut. So you can just use whatever brand you can get a hold of. So we're just going to add that in. And then I'm going to add the macadamia nuts. And I just bought a 6-ounce package and I'm putting all of them in. I'm going to add the white chocolate chips. So this is an 11-ounce bag, so I'm just going to add the whole thing. So, and you can use whatever brand you like. So I've got a sheet tray and I've just lined it with some parchment paper, and then I just grabbed a big spoon and we're just going to scoop out. These are going to be pretty big cookies, but when you have a lot going on in a cookie, you kind of want a big cookie because you want to be able to get some of the goodies in every cookie. So and you can kind of come back and kind of shape those a little bit. They will spread a little, but not too much. All right, we're just going to put these in the oven. The oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and we'll be back when they're done. All right, so our first batch of cookies is out of the oven. I baked them for 15 minutes because they're a bigger cookie. They just needed that long. So if your cookies are a little smaller, I would check them at 10 minutes and then just kind of adjust as you go. So, but they're just a nice golden color on top, and then the bottom is just a nice golden color, so they're not overdone at all. So nice big cookie. Let's see, you can kind of see how they look on the inside. You can see all those goodies in there. It's a really nice cookie. You get bites of the chocolate, the nuts, the coconut, and then the cookie itself is just a nice sweet cookie. So very good. These will go really quick at any barbecue, any function that you have, or just when you want a cookie. So I'm going to finish all of these up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more great videos, and like it, share it, leave me a comment. So until next time.